Hey guys, what's up? It's new build time. Yeah, that's right. Doing a ground up build. We are going to build a Meus MB18 18th scale. Take it out of the box. Look at this, guys. It's kind of a bumblebee. That's a sweet shell. Comes with all the parts. We'll go over everything. The body, build that first. And all the parts that come with it. Cannot wait. Going to be using Injora shocks. They are 53 millimeter. I think they're going to be perfect for this oil filled. So there. Transmissions in Injora. Never used an Injora transmission. It is the stock one because I want this to be fast. This is not going to be a rock crawler. This is going to be a fun little build. With that, we're going to be powering it with the Injora Viper motor, and the ESC, if you want to check it out, is the 2 to 3 cell brushless ESC combo that comes with the Viper motor. So bear with me 1 second as I open it. It's a super sweet ESC. Again, I've never used the ESCs as well for Injora product, but they're very inexpensive compared to Furatech, so that's why I went with it. Check it out. Thing is tiny, guys. Comes just like that. I think this is a programmer that comes with, and then it comes with different options of what you can use for a battery hookup. So that is going to be super cool there. And again, another new for me, I'm going to use the 7 kilogram Injora servo. Should be fantastic part. The part number is the 2065. So yeah, we're going to be using that. I had these tires left over, so we're going to be using the 1.3 Injora swamp claws. These things should be fine. A lot of grip. Again, it's not for crawling, it's for speed. With that, we're going to use the Meus rear end. And got some steel shafts and a little horn for the servo. But the one thing that I can't wait, guys, that I haven't shown you yet. All right, I had to go get it. This is what I'm excited for. This is the Meus IFS. Independent front suspension. We'll open it up, check it out. It's got all sorts of parts. Comes with rear links. Super cool. And mounts, and it has its own center engine mount. So yeah, this thing is going to be super cool. We'll just open it up right now so you can check it out. Comes all mostly assembled, and you can see this thing is going to be awesome. What a sweet piece this is. So yeah, this will be fun. So stay tuned. We'll get started on the build. All right, guys, let's take a look at what comes in the box for this Meus 18. First, the body. And then you got a bunch of decals that you can style it any way that you want on the body. And then you look over here, you got all the linkage, is all the hardware you need to put everything together. It does come with lights, so that's good. Instructions right here to put everything in. And then again, I'm going to use the rear Meus 118 scale rear end with the Injora Viper motor and the ESC from Injora, and then again the IFS front end. So independent front suspension. So that's going to look cool. That'll go like that. We'll put everything together and then get everything out. Also with the IFS kit, it comes with more items, battery holder and a All right, guys, got the body done. Looks great. It's got this nice clipping system right here and here, and it goes right here. So I really like that, where the body just goes like this, and then you clip it in, and it looks like that. So yeah, that's a good start. So we're gonna put that to the side right now so we can start working on all right, guys, we're gonna open up the transmission, see if there's any grease in it. If not, we're gonna add some grease. So let's just open this up, see what we got. Real easy, 4 screws, good to go. And yeah, they do add a little bit of grease to it. I'm probably gonna add a little bit more. I like to use marine grease, so I'm probably gonna add a little bit more just to make sure everything is good. So stand by while we do this. All right, chassis all put together. Looks good. And now I'm trying to put everything together. Got the servo attached. I have the transmission in, and now again got to put this in like this, and this is how the rear is going to look, and the front, and you got the battery right here, and then everything attaches. It was a little harder than expected to set the steering up because you had to do these little links that there was no real directions that came with it. I was able to go on to Meus website and see the diagram, so that was helpful, but I think that they should add some directions to it just like they do for the chassis. But again, just took a little longer than normal, but that's what it's going to look like, guys. So let me put this together and we'll check it out. All right, guys, rolling chassis. I'm trying to figure out where the battery's going. I was going to use this battery, but I think I'm going to go with the 850. This great battery. And I'm going to stick it in the rear of this, just like that. I think I'm still trying to figure it out. I might just take the spare tire off that's on here because it's kind of lame anyway. But battery is just really hard to fit in the battery box. So I'm probably going to utilize all this space to put the receiver and the BC all in down here, tuck it in. But again, here's the rolling chassis. I am trying to figure out, this side is really good suspension wise. Again, use the 53 millimeters Injoras, but this side, I don't know if anybody else has had this problem, but it's getting stuck. I can't figure out why it just keeps getting stuck. It's not, you know, free motion like this one. It sticks. So I'm still trying to figure that out, but the steering's perfect. So next time you see this, it'll be all buttoned up and we'll get running it. All right, guys, it's completed. Came out great. I finally fixed the independent steering in the front binding issue. Yeah, first run with her. Let's take her out. So I made this car to be fast, so I'll show you. That's what I like. That's what I wanted. This is not going to be a rock crawler per se. This is going to be more of a trail runner, fast car. Take her over some jumps. Yeah. Nice. All right, guys. First rear wheel experience with the MB18 with the IFS front end and independent front system. So let's check her out. I made this to be fast, not a rock crawler, so. Whoop. All right, this is the And there it is, guys. Again, special thanks to Anderson RC. Shout out to my local hobby store. Again, remember to support your local hobby store. And until the next build, thanks for watching.